Every day, businesses collect and process personal data, customer names, emails, financial details. But who makes sure this data is protected? That's where the Data Protection Officer, DPO, comes in. To ensure organizations follow data protection laws, the European Commission introduced Decision 2008/597/EC, a set of rules defining the role of a DPO. A DPO has several key responsibilities, such as ensuring compliance with data protection laws, educating employees on data security, monitoring risks like cyber threats and data breaches, acting as a bridge between the company and data protection authorities. Think of a DPO as a safety officer for personal data. Just like a company hires a fire safety officer to prevent fires, a DPO ensures data is handled securely. Why is a DPO important? Without a DPO, companies may mishandle data, leading to leaks, legal trouble, and loss of customer trust. Many global companies have paid millions in fines for data breaches. With strict privacy laws like GDPR, businesses must have a DPO. That's why this is one of the fastest-growing career fields today. Want to be a data protection pro? Sign up for CT Academy's privacy and data protection courses today. And hey, hit that subscribe button for more useful videos.